Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for expert advice and inspiration in the realm of outdoor aesthetics. Today, we delve into the art and science of summer outdoor garden design, exploring how to transform your yard into a vibrant and inviting sanctuary. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. As the days grow longer and the warmth of summer embraces us, our attention naturally turns to the outdoor spaces that surround our homes. To begin, let us define what exactly constitutes summer outdoor garden design. At its core, it is the thoughtful and intentional arrangement of elements within your outdoor space to maximize its beauty, functionality, and enjoyment during the summer months. This encompasses everything from plant selection that thrives in warmer climates and longer daylight hours to the strategic placement of furniture, decor, and features that enhance outdoor living. Summer outdoor garden design considers factors such as sun exposure, shade requirements, water conservation, and the creation of comfortable zones for relaxation, dining, and entertainment. It's about curating an outdoor environment that not only visually appeals, but also caters to the specific needs and opportunities presented by the summer season. Investing time and effort in a well-conceived summer outdoor garden design yields numerous benefits. Firstly, it significantly enhances the aesthetic appeal of your property, creating a more attractive and inviting environment for both residents and visitors. A beautifully designed garden can also increase your property's value. Beyond aesthetics, a thoughtfully planned outdoor space extends your living area, providing additional room for relaxation, dining al fresco, and hosting gatherings. Spending time in nature has been proven to reduce stress and improve overall well-being, and a well-designed garden encourages you to step outside and connect with the natural world. Furthermore, a summer-focused design can optimize the use of your outdoor space during its peak season, ensuring that you can fully enjoy the warmth and beauty of summer in a comfortable and functional setting. It can also promote biodiversity by attracting pollinators and creating a habitat for local wildlife. How do I decorate my summer outdoor garden design to look beautiful? Decorating your summer outdoor garden to achieve a beautiful and cohesive look involves a blend of creativity and practical considerations. Start by defining different zones within your garden, such as a seating area, a dining space, and perhaps a play area if needed. Choose outdoor furniture that is both comfortable and weather-resistant, considering materials like wicker, teak, or metal. Incorporate textiles such as outdoor cushions and throws in vibrant summer colors or patterns to add visual interest and comfort. Introduce decorative elements like outdoor rugs to define spaces and add texture, lanterns and string lights to create ambiance during the evenings, and weather-resistant artwork or sculptures to personalize your garden. Container gardening is an excellent way to add pops of color and greenery, allowing for flexibility in placement and the ability to showcase seasonal blooms. Remember to consider vertical gardening options to maximize space and add visual height. Finally, maintain a well-kept appearance through regular pruning, watering, and tidying to ensure your summer outdoor garden always looks its best. What the best items for summer outdoor garden design? Selecting the right items is crucial for creating a functional and beautiful summer outdoor garden. Comfortable and durable outdoor furniture, such as lounge chairs, sofas, and dining sets, are essential for relaxation and entertaining. Umbrellas, or shade sails, provide much-needed relief from the summer sun, allowing you to enjoy your garden comfortably during the hottest parts of the day. Outdoor rugs not only enhance the visual appeal, but also define spaces and add a touch of comfort. Underfoot. Container plants in vibrant summer blooms add color and life and offer flexibility in design. String lights and lanterns create a warm and inviting atmosphere for evening enjoyment. Water features, such as small fountains or ponds, can add a soothing sound and visual interest while also attracting birds. Outdoor cushions and throws in weather-resistant fabrics enhance comfort and add pops of color and texture. Gardening tools and storage solutions help keep your garden tidy and organized. Consider incorporating outdoor games or activities like a croquet set or a small basketball hoop for added fun. Finally, decorative planters and garden ornaments allow you to express your personal style and add unique touches to your outdoor space. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best summer outdoor garden design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Tropical oasis. Embrace lush foliage with vibrant flowering plants like hibiscus, bougainvillea, and canna lilies. Incorporate natural materials like bamboo furniture and tiki torches for an exotic feel. Add a small water feature and colorful outdoor cushions. 2. Mediterranean escape. Opt for terracotta pots filled with herbs like lavender, rosemary, and thyme, alongside olive trees or citrus plants. Choose wrought iron furniture and incorporate stone or gravel pathways. Use blue and white accents in your textiles and decor. 3. Coastal retreat. Create a relaxed and airy feel with light-colored wicker or Adirondack chairs. Use nautical-themed decor like rope accents, seashells, and blue and white striped cushions. Plant salt-tolerant grasses and flowering plants in sandy soil. 4. Rustic charm. Feature wooden benches, aged terracotta pots, and wildflowers. Incorporate natural stone elements and perhaps a small vegetable or herb garden. Use burlap or linen fabrics for cushions and throws. 5. Modern minimalist. Focus on clean lines and neutral colors with sleek outdoor furniture. Use geometric planters and incorporate structural plants like succulents and ornamental grasses. Add subtle lighting for evening ambiance. 6. Bohemian Rhapsody. Mix and match colorful textiles, patterned cushions, and eclectic decor like dream catchers and lanterns. Use low seating options like floor cushions and poofs. Incorporate a variety of plant textures and sizes. 7. Secret garden. Create a secluded and enchanting space with climbing roses, vines, and hidden seating areas. Use soft lighting and incorporate whimsical elements like fairy lights and small sculptures. 8. Edible paradise. Design a garden that is both beautiful and functional by incorporating raised beds or containers filled with vegetables, herbs, and fruit-bearing plants. Add comfortable seating nearby to enjoy the fruits of your labor. 9. Family fun zone. Create designated areas for different activities, such as a play area for children with outdoor toys, a comfortable seating area for adults, and perhaps a small outdoor games area. Use durable and easy-to-clean materials. 10. Vertical garden. Extravaganza. Maximize limited space by utilizing walls and fences for vertical gardens filled with cascading flowers and foliage. Incorporate a small bistro set for intimate outdoor dining. As we conclude today's exploration of summer outdoor garden design, we hope you've gathered valuable insights and inspiration to transform your own outdoor spaces into stunning summer havens. Remember, the key is to blend functionality with your personal style to create a garden that you can truly enjoy throughout the warmest months. Thank you for tuning in to Garden Decor Designs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a poise. Thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your favorite summer garden design ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring home and garden decor tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.